Hello everyone! In this video, my friend and I are visiting Flea Market in Germany, and basically our goal is to find some rare cool stuff, something we can sell for a lot of money, and we'll see. Hope you join us on the journey and find out if we were successful or not.
We can also check the actual price, so this is 10 euros for a plate. And what else here? So there is this thing full of photos and some written, look, handwritten stuff. Some poetry, I guess. And it's for someone. And this one, unfortunately, without price. We need to ask if we want to find out. Oh, what else? 20 euros for this cup. Maybe it's brass made, I don't know.
So yeah, some of them looks like they were made recently, but some of them are pretty antique. Like this one definitely.
So we asked, and this one, look, there is special sign here. So it costs just 35 euros. They look pretty antique. Look.
So my friend bought this one. It's a candle holder. We are thinking about this soap holder. Maybe it's for jewelry. I don't know, but it looked cool. And so there are many dolls. Very weird. Some of them antique, some of them not, but look. Even African one over there. So Germans were pretty inclusive at that times. So yeah, if you wanna guys see more of the weird toys, I can make a whole separate video.
So we found something. It's Michael Kors. Looks really nice. We're gonna ask now.
So yeah, I'm translating you German. So I asked, it was about 15 euros, but my friend said it was fake, so makes sense.
Michael Kors.
And then I walked around these paintings, drawing, hoped for, like, I don't know, Picasso, Salvador Dali, whoever is famous and can bring me money, but no, unfortunately not. But this thing looked really nice, and I'm gonna show you more detailed about these post stamps.
So altogether it costs just 12 euros. Look. And you get like many, I don't know, 1,000 maybe marks for stamps from DDR, I guess mostly. Okay, it's not full. Okay, maybe it's not that good. Look, and this one is maybe the cheapest one. It's just 5 euros, and look, you still can get these cool animals. This one. This is interesting. Look. Oh, there is one, look, this one. Raketa. You can see. It's something Soviet. Maybe. Another one.
And I miss completely cool mushrooms look in the bottom. And again the dolls, but it's not the main thing here. So there is also jewelry next to them. And yeah, I'm translating.
Okay.
I'm buying this one. It's just €1 for this pearl necklace. And really I wanted to buy them all, but unfortunately I don't have money for that, to buy all the jewelry I see. But I would like to. In the end I just bought this.
5 euros, so 250-ish.
And again, jewelry. I can also make a special separate video for jewelry. But this one looked cool. I don't know, is it American football medal or what is it? If you know, drop a comment. And hope you enjoy the video. See you next time.